Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you doing, Tākaro Tribe?
We're discussing types of families.
Like a waiwai, brood, which is a family of duckling.
And a flock of kaka is a family of kaka. What do you think, Kōkā?
Whaharakeke. It's a great representation of whānau, eh? You should all learn more about Whaharakeke.
Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou Ngāti Tākaro.
Waia, wow!
I have news! Peppy Kiwi is Pōri, sad. Will you cheer Peppy Kiwi up?
Is there something Peppy Kiwi loves?
Mama Kiwi said Peppy Kiwi absolutely loves puti, flowers.
Ka pai waia, wow. We'll get some.
Go see Pāpā Rākau. He will help you.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
What are you all up to today, Tākaro Tribe?
Peppy Kiwi is sad. It's our job to cheer him up.
Mama Kiwi told us that Peppy Kiwi loves puti, flowers. Kōkā said a pāharakeke is a symbol of whānau.
Kōkā is right. Pāharakeke grow just like a whānau.
We could raranga weave a flower from harakeke. That will cheer up Peppy Kiwi. Great idea,
But before that, you need to know about pāharakeke. A pāharakeke has 3 layers. The first is called the rito of the harakeke. This is the youngest, the baby of the pāharakeke. It's the smallest leaf right in the middle.
Whoa! So we use the rito of the harakeke.
No, not the rito. You leave the rito to keep growing.
Oh!
The second layer are the parents of the pāharakeke and are called the awhirito. They sit on either side of the rito.
So we use the awhirito.
No, leave the awhirito. The awhirito protects and helps the rito to grow.
Which leaves do we use then?
The third layer are the grandparents of the pāharakeke, or the outer layers of the pāharakeke. Those are what you use.
Thank you, Pāpā Rākau. You're a genius.
Thank you, Tākaro Tribe. I've talked long enough. You better go and get your harakeke.
Let's karakia.
Te harakeke, te kōrari. Ngā taonga whakahere iho. O te rangi, o te whenua, o ngā tūna. Ho mai he ora o ngāra. Te Māori ora.
Don't forget what Pāpā Rākau said. Not the rito, not the awhirito. Pick the outer grandparents.
Once we've done that, then we can raranga. Weave.
I've nearly finished mine. Mine too.
Can you please help me?
Of course, Oo. Have you finished raranga, weaving? Kia ora, kōrua. How are you?
Hello, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Peppy Kiwi. How are you feeling? We made a puti flower for you to cheer you up.
It looks like Pēpi Kiwi likes the puti flower you've woven.
Hurrah!
Thank you very much, Tākaro Tribe.
Let's celebrate. Let's sing.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Peppy Kiwi is happy again thanks to you, Tākaro Tribe. Ka rawe. Let's take a look at the word of the day. Oh, Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā.
Kia ora anō, Tākaro Tribe. Looks like you accomplished what you needed to do today, Tākaro Tribe.
Aye.
Let's celebrate. Let's take a look at what you did today. Pēpi Kiwi was really down, and it was up to you to cheer him up. So you did some raranga weaving as a gift to Pēpi Kiwi, who was overjoyed and happy again. Then you all learnt the word of the day. Raranga. Ra, ra, nga. Raranga. Magnificent job, Tākaro Tribe.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e. E kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki rā.